Hey guys, Ride 101 here. Today I'll be doing a bike check on my custom Brakeless Academy S by BMX. Starting with the grips, I have got red flatwear cufflink grips, both sides, just like ODIs, but just a little softer, nice and comfy. The barns, I've got Odyssey Pyrons, red both sides, match in with the grips. And then for the bars, I've got Academy Pro bars, matte black, nice and big with an Apple sticker and an Academy sticker. And then for the stem, I've got an Academy top load stem, red, anodized with an Academy loader on there. And then for the compression cap, I've got a black Academy compression cap. And then for the headset and the spaces, I've got 3 Academy spaces, anodized black. And then for headset, I've got an integrated Academy headset, black, anodized. And then for the forks, I've got black Academy Pro forks, pretty nice. Academy sticker there and there. And then for the tyre, front tyre, I've got a United Direct tyre, white wall. Nice strong tyre, there's a sizing right there. And then for the front rim, I've got an Academy Pro rim, black, pretty nice. I've got Academy spokes and nipples, chrome nipples and black spokes. And for the front hub, I've got an Academy hub, red, anodized red. And I've got this on here, which means that you can clean your hub when you ride it. I wouldn't leave them on there for too long because my dad said that it can rub the anodization off. I don't want that. Now for the frame, I've got an Academy Pro frame integrated, matte black, Helen Wheels sticker, deluxe sticker, Apple sticker, another Apple sticker, a premium sticker, Verde sticker, and then Academy Aspire sticker. Goes all the way around, the Apple sticker, if I didn't say that already. And for the pedals, I've got Odyssey Twister PC pedals, glow in the dark, both sides. For the cranks, I've got Academy cranks, black. It's not so much of a matte black, it's more of an anodization sort of colour. Pretty nice and strong. And for the sprocket, I've got a gold 25 tooth salt sprocket. For the chain, I've got a pink KMC half link. And for the bottom bracket, I've got an Academy bottom bracket, black with 4 bottom bracket spaces. And then for the seat, I've got an Odyssey pivotal seat, grey. For the seat post, I've got a We the People pivotal seat post, gold. Really nice. And for the back tyre, I've got another United Direct tyre, white wall, pretty nice. And for the rear hub, I've got a 9-tooth driver Academy hub, anodized red, chrome Academy nipples and black Academy spokes, pretty nice. And for the rear rim, I have got another Academy Pro rim, black. For the valve cap here, I've got a bullet valve cap, pretty nice. And that valve cap I found on the road, so I don't know what that one is. Brakeless, it's a pretty nice looking bike. And now I'm going to give you a hub sound. And not so eventful. So I'll just move the bike over here so the pedals don't hit anyway. Did you get the sound? Make sure if you enjoy, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!